Hello, welcome to Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn on battery percentage here in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. So how to turn on our battery percentage so it can be visible. We have to go to settings, then we're looking for battery options, battery and device care, and we have little hidden menu here. We have to tap battery. And now we are looking for more battery settings and show battery percentage. Right now we don't have this information in the corner of our phone, and now we have. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.